Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 8th of August 2018. So the pound yesterday, very quiet. You can see there, very narrow range. Market trying to get back above the 129.57 level there. Let's have a look at the intraday just to see how quiet it was. Bit of a rally to start with. Market trading up to the 200 bar average within that sort of region. You've got the classic double top 76% retracement there. So if it goes through 76% on its retracement, then you will see the market stop at the double top, which just remove this, would be look like this. There you go. Now you can see where this ties in as well, right on the 200 bar moving average there, which is always a good area for sells, because you can put the stop above, knowing full well that the market's already struggled over here. We saw the selling there, and then the market failed to breach this. And even if it did breach it, then when it comes back below it again, still gives that good risk reward. Sideways, simple as that really. There's not a lot to say. It is a very quiet week news wise this week. Today we've got just the crude oil inventories, really the only thing that's going to do anything, if that. I mean, there shouldn't be a high impact news item anymore, because frankly the market hasn't moved on this news for a long time. So, well, it hasn't moved on much news, come to think about it. Right, the Dow yesterday drove through the 25,575. We've been looking at this. It was a double resistance area, as we looked at yesterday. 25,822 is the next upside target, and if we take this out, then we certainly want to watch for this. Let me just bring this over, move that down, and what I'm going to do here is go from this high down to this low. And that's interesting. I thought it was going to be a bit higher than this. So that was the 76% retracement that sent the market down to the 200 bar average there. And if we just do this, and then let's just get rid of everything just to make life a bit easier. And then on the fib retracement, so what we'll do is we'll get rid of the 25 just to, there we go. This is the one that's important. So watch out for 25,839, and let's just save that as well, because this area, if the market can get through here, it will have a run at the all-time high. But this is a very important area for this market, so keep a note of this price. And then finally in cryptos, you can see there market slumps following SEC Bitcoin ETF delay. So they've delayed sanctioning the ETFs for cryptos, and that's why we're seeing the market down on the overnight here, which now you can see right down to the 76% retracement. Without using these retracements, you wouldn't know where the market is likely to stop. Very, very important tool in any trader's toolbox, this is. So there you can see the market stopping, and in the 4 hour you can see there that they're starting to buy back into the market, coming off the lows there at the moment. However, that said, as I keep saying, this is not the way this market should end. It never really ended well for the market over here. That's just a dead cat bounce, as I've said, because there's not enough climatic volume there at all. And that's about it really. There's not a lot else to report. Still in the sort of school holes, quiet. We'll say quiet, I mean, seeing Bitcoin drop a lot, but the Dow and the pound really predictable. Pound always generally quiet when Parliament goes into recess, and the Dow when the cats are away, and they'll move the market back to the upside. Actually, one thing that I must mention to you yesterday, a video worth watching. Let me just find it for you. If you're interested in the global debt, then highly recommend this channel. This is the Money GPS. Brilliant. I don't know how this chap manages to do it, but he puts out a couple of videos per day. But the one that was very interesting was this one yesterday, that company buybacks now of shares are at all-time highs and actually at 1 trillion. So if you get a chance, have a look at this video, because very, very interesting indeed. And anything else that you want to have a look at, just go and have a look, because they're brilliant videos, well researched and incredibly accurate as well. So for those of you in the UK, there we go, this one here, worth looking at as well. UK households in most debts ever in history. Like I say, very, very well researched, all of the facts to back up and show you to back up the statements and the title of these videos. Right, I will leave that with you. I'll put a link in the email. If not, just type in Money GPS and they will come up, and then just have a look at the channel. Right, that's it for this one. If there's anything to report, I will let you know. But other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.